Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
When you travel, do you have a problem with your bags being overstuffed? I know we always did, and that was going to be a big problem because we were going on a trip and only having one personal item on the plane. So I needed all of this stuff, and easily I was able to make it clean and fit in these small little compression bags by ways of the Wanderlust. These things were such a lifesaver on this trip. So there are 5 of us, so we had 5 personal items, but we also had all of our other stuff. So these things, I could fit so much in them. Then you zip them closed, and then you zip the compression, so it really squeezes everything nice and tight together. And then they easily stayed all nice and compressed in our bag, so that on the plane, I didn't have to worry about our bags not fitting in their little sizing compartment. The mesh netting on the front was really nice, so I easily could see what was in each of these bags. These come as a set of 5, so you have a large variety of different sizes. It was plenty for all 5 of us for a long weekend. We are going on another trip where we're going to have to pack even more, and I'm so excited to have these because I know they will save so much space in our luggage, which means we can bring back extra souvenirs. So if you are planning a trip, I highly recommend these things. They will save so much space in your luggage.
And that's my point of view.